Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by preparing the hardware and software so the install goes smoothly. First, identify whether you have a USB or PCIe wireless adapter and confirm it matches your PC's slots or ports. Once done, download the manufacturer's latest driver to a USB or desktop so you have it ready. Make sure to temporarily disable any onboard Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapters to avoid conflicts. This reduces driver confusion and ensures the new adapter. Now install the adapter and the software that lets Windows use it. If it's PCIe, power down, open the case, ground yourself, and seat the card firmly. If USB, insert into a USB 3.0 port. Boot and run the downloaded driver as administrator. Follow prompts and accept any network permissions. After reboot, open Device Manager to confirm the adapter shows with a proper driver. If you see a warning symbol, choose Update Driver and point to the downloaded files. Finish by connecting to your wireless network and tuning settings for best performance. You'll select the SSID, enter the WPA2 or WPA3 password, and mark the network as private so sharing rules apply. Then check adapter properties. Set power management to prevent sleep and choose 5 GHz or a less congested channel for speed. If you cannot connect, reboot the PC, try a different port or slot, and reinstall the driver. One common fix is a clean driver reinstall, which resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.